again.
I actually need to stop recording for a sec.
I don't know, that's the point.
Got the cars, ring there.
Mm.
Oh, bonfire! There's a bonfire!
Huh?
It's a bonfire if you can see it a bit.
You are?
See them going.
Well, they've obviously been in the street behind. They probably
Is
haven't
that
done.
guns or something?
Oh, it's fireworks.
Oh, thank goodness. I don't want to be World War III.
Why do people always do that down there?
Ah, my eyes.
I don't know.
Why do they put this off every single year? But all but.
These are all the time. I bet
Oh,
they
there's
probably
a-
done it when your mother was living here.
I don't think so.
Ask her.
But back in the 70s.
Should I put on the light? Should I put on the light?
No, all.
Oh. Well, I've climbed all the way up here. But...
That looks ridiculous, anyway.
Huh?
That looks ridiculous.
I wish I could record
It's
this on.
massive. It's got. I can see the flames are going past the house, so that must be quite high. I'm not going down to have a look.
I mean, I will, but I'm running to a different multiverse.
But all the
so-
cars coming up here now.
Yeah, they're running for dear life.
Cars are coming for there.
That is
For there.
exactly.
Oh, they all just nose in properly.
Oh yeah.
No, they're running for dear life. I'm
And they've
telling
probably
you.
been there.
Telling you, they're running for dear life. Oh, fireworks. To be fair, that's pretty. I can't wait for tomorrow for it to burn again.
But you can see the fire brigade trying to
Well, I
put it
don't.
out.
Yeah.
Look at the cars.
Oh, no, there's two bonfires going off at once there and there. I'm trying to
It's
call
all
every.
firework fire as well, is it?
Yeah. Well, we seen a lovely display, didn't we all?
What?
The ones who had a bonfire had a lovely display over there. We were in the window watching it.
Yeah, no. Went upstairs and recorded it.
Haven't heard anything yet up here.
Oh, you should. What?
What? A bonfire.
Son, are you coming over? It's least madness.
Looks mad, doesn't it?
It is mad.
No, I think it's when I'm out of control. Sorry, guys. I think it's when out of control. I'm starting to get foot cramp.
We got the same jumper on.
Where?
Me and you. Let me see.
Yeah?
I don't.
Yeah. Oh, right down.
I feel bad whoever's house is down there. They're probably screaming their head off.
My house is far away, you know, so.
Oh no, it ain't far. It's about like 3 meters away. Oh, firework! Pretty. I've called this for 3 minutes.
Because
Oh,
they're all coming in the
firework!
street, didn't they? Well, they've all gone down there, and then probably fire
It's about five.
everywhere, and they're all trying to get away.
Wait, why are they called fire engines if they don't shoot fire? They're called water engines.
But the fire, you can still see the fire still high.
No, I'm running to a different multiverse if that comes up even closer.
But I don't know why they bother doing it, because they put it out every year. And they'll put it back, and then they'll come back.
Oh, firework!
But I find people like that a bit weird. Like,
Firework again.
what is
I
it?
feel...
God knows.
There's literally 3 locations where fireworks are going off in Portalba. Oh, that one's pretty.
They'll do it in Lingfield now.
Oh,
Farmfield.
they won't do in
Yeah,
like
they do it
Swansea. They won't do in like
What?
Swansea or something. I don't know if they do it.
Anywhere
And
in
like,
there.
Farmfield they
Stuff.
usually do it by as well.
oh, oh!
I don't know why.
When do they
It
put?
doesn't feel to me at all. It's weird.
When are they putting out that
No.
fire?
Attention is.
Now record this for an hour. Live stream.
Mm-hmm. God
This
knows.
video
Alright
go
then.
viral. Oh,
Alright, babe.
oh, and guys, subscribe to my other channel.
Alright,
Subscribe. Feel a difference. Whoa! Oh! That was good. Oh, no one. Is there no one? No. As you can see, this is chaos. Oh! One's gone off there, if you can see, guys. I'm just trying to film the fireworks, the morning fire. Like and subscribe, otherwise this fire will come to you. And possibly end you. I was joking there. Like and subscribe, or nothing will happen. Absolutely nothing will happen. Oh! I'm telling you, that fire's getting closer. Oh,
Oh, please. Uh-oh.
this. Oh no, I'm actually trying to get there. Oh crap! Oh bull crap! Shiver me timbers. Now, it's possibly about 10 now. Oh, is that stronger?
No.
That's joking. Oh! What's that? Oh! I found there. There's literally police there. Oh. There's
Helicopter.
what? Oh crap! Guys, if you can see, there's a police helicopter, I think. Now this is definitely going on the news. Tell you. This doesn't happen again. Oh, the fire's starting to go out! Yay! As you can see, I am holding on for dear life, if you can see, on my windowsill. Because if I fall, I am going to... Well, I'm not going to die, but it'd be in pain. Because as earlier, I broke my bed by falling on it. Second, well, I only hurt my back for falling on millions of Lego pieces. I am a Lego builder. Ooh. Damn it, I have to think. Oh! This is just chaos. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. I'm a gnome. This is gnomeness. There's so much black cloud. Oh, big firework. Someone's getting arrested. I'm telling you. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Mom.
Oh,
Someone's getting arrested, aren't they?
I don't know.
They probably will, because police are going down there. Sound like the police.
They probably send everyone back to their houses, don't they?
Well, how their fireworks going off, Exactly. I'm just scared. There's gonna be another police car now and there. Oh. Oh, I see loads of lights. Going up higher. Imagine it's got viral. Oh, God, got that. Whoa, well that. I might end it now. Ooh, ooh, oh. Tomorrow. Ooh. Is this supposed to be bonfire night or something? Oh, it is.
Come on, man. Are we going down?
See. Go. Guys, I'm gonna let you go now. Thank you for watching and like and subscribe or nothing will happen. See ya. Peace.